Hello guys, welcome to the best product reviews. In today's episode, we will talk about the OnePlus first ever smartwatch and its release date, price, news, and of course its features. The OnePlus Watch has now been unveiled alongside the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro, and while an exact release date for the smartwatch has not yet been made clear, we have heard a variety of details about the wearable. It is a new smartwatch from the company that doesn't run on Wear OS, and it instead uses a separate operating system. The OnePlus Watch was announced on stage at the OnePlus 9 launch event on March 23rd, and it goes on sale in the US on April 14 and in the UK on April 26. The OnePlus Watch will retail at $159 at launch, while the OnePlus Watch is confirmed to be coming to the US and the UK, and there is no news on Australia. Australia does not often get OnePlus products. For example, the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro won't be on sale there, so we are not confident that you will be able to buy this wearable in the country. It is worth noting that the OnePlus Watch is cheaper than the recent Oppo Watch, which is around $300. We've mentioned this because OnePlus and Oppo have the same parent company and their phones often have things in common. If we talk about the design and display of this watch, the OnePlus Watch is a circular smartwatch made of stainless steel that avoids the spherical style used by Fitbit, Apple, and Oppo. The bands are made up of breathable and robust substance called fluoroelastomer. The smartwatch has two crowns, one of which is for the app menu and the other probably brings up another shortcut. The watch case itself is 46.4 into 46.4 into 10.9 mm, making the OnePlus Watch fairly sizable compared to its competition. Including the strap, it weighs 76 grams. As well as the two main colors available for the OnePlus Watch, Moonlight Silver and Midnight Black. There is also a limited edition version of the watch made of cobalt with wagon leather straps and a sapphire glass screen, but it is not clear what the availability on this model is like just yet. For both versions, the watch is IP68 protected against dust and water and is also 5 ATM waterproof, which means it should survive submersion of up to 50 meters for 10 minutes without breaking. That should make this the perfect companion for swimming. In terms of display, the OnePlus Watch has a 1.39-inch AMOLED screen with 326 pixels per inch. That should make for a bright screen where individual pixel should be much less noticeable than one some wearables, though it's broadly in line with most rivals here. The OnePlus Watch features 50 watch face design to choose from, with the possibility that the company could release more down the line. There is also support for using photos as your watch face, with the colors of on-screen numbers and text alerting to best fit for the picture. The OnePlus Watch comes with over 110 fitness workouts built in, and the sports on offer here include running, swimming, dancing, parkour, and much more. So users will have a huge range of modes to choose from. The OnePlus Watch can also auto-detect some workouts, so if you start running or jogging, the watch will automatically start tracking it. And if you stop, the watch will pause the tracking. We have seen this feature in other watches and it can often be temperamental, so we will have to see how well it works here. Apparently this mode only works for running or walking based activities. As well as the fitness modes, there is also sleep tracking as well as some other tracking features like a heart rate monitor, built-in GPS, blood oxygen scanning and more. The OnePlus Watch can also remind you to take quick breaks if you are working long hours, with a feature to remind you to stand up and stretch or take quick breathing exercises. You will also be able to take calls hand-free from watch, a feature not all smartwatches have. To enable this, OnePlus Watch also has a speaker, microphone and Bluetooth 5.0. It can be paired with a phone running Android 6.0 or above, but doesn't work with iOS. The OnePlus Watch can last for up to 2 weeks on a single charge of its 402 mAh battery and up to 5 days when using sleep blood oxygen monitoring or for up to 25 hours of continuous exercise with GPS. It is the end of today's video, and I hope this video will help you to make a decision for yourself. For further details of this smartwatch, check out the links in description and comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.